Hi, Wellham fam. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And I have got some 30 by 30. I have got some 30 by 30. And I have also got 30 by 30.
Although some of these may be 25 by 25, we're not knowing.
No, that's right. Right, now these are obviously diamond painting ones.
That looks like that's a part drill.
Yes.
That's a part drill. That's a full one.
Drill. That's a full drill, yeah. Now, you'll see the pictures when I get them out, obviously, because, you know. I may add to this video. It depends on how much it produces. Then again, I might have to separate out the part drill ones from the full drill.
Yeah. Don't
know, guys. Really, if I'm honest, I haven't got a clue.
No.
But what I do know is I really, really need to get drilling. Right then, lovely. So, here is our spring flower one done.
Yeah.
Now, it's not technically Easter, but they are Easter flower. Come on, they're, you know.
Oh, got daffs on it.
It's spring has sprung, guys.
Yeah.
Right, so on to the next one. Right, guys, so we have got our lammy and sheepy done. I must admit, when I did this, I thought of Journey. But yeah, so cute. Right, so the only full drill out of these ones,
It's a bunny and egg.
It's our Easter one. You know, it's not bad cute. Actually. It's pretty good, and you can even see the faces to the bees.
So when you see it close up, it's still pretty good actually.
Yeah, it isn't bad, is it?
Face pretty well. Yeah.
So really pleased with how this turned out as well. So yeah, so that is the end of the spring Easter diamond drill ones
Painting
of this.
ones. Yep.
And yeah, I've got lots of other projects and bits and baps, whether they be Easter or what have you, it doesn't matter. I have plenty to keep me amused. Right, my lovelies, so as always, be different, a very merry on hoo-hoo, and Bunny Hop!
Bunny!